Go to the game folder. Scroll down. Select PlayGTAV. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check the option to disable full screen optimizations and check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply and click on OK. Select PlayGTAV. Right-click it. Click on Show More Options. Click on Create Shortcut. Select the shortcut, right-click it, and click on Properties. Press the right arrow key to go to the end of the path. Press the space bar and write DX12. Click on Apply and click on OK. If you have Riva Tuner installed, right-click it and click on Close. Go to Documents. Open the Rockstar Games folder. Open GTAV Enhanced folder. Select the Settings file, right-click it, and click on Delete. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Security and click on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. In Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. In Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion. Select Folder. And select the GTAV Enhanced Installation folder. And click on Select Folder. Use this shortcut to play the game. And make sure to update your drivers. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.